slides in. Whoa, it pulls it in.
All right. This one's too big, too much. Are you okay? I mean, you got enough knee room there?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like this one. I'm gonna buy it today.
Oh, no, you're not.
Hey guys, Ken and Yvette with Strange Life Adventures. We're up in Waco, Texas. We're at Funtown RV. We're looking at travel trailers. We came here specifically because they have the Brinkleys that we're interested in. We got to look at several of them today, but it's a hot day outside.
So stick around to the end and you'll find out whether Brinkley moved to the top of our list or is completely out.
As well, so like if you have any particular questions, they're going to be there to answer any questions. It's a great time to buy. So the weight's right here, but it doesn't display the length. That it may be on the interior on the door.
What is this one?
This is the Z310 Air. It's a 38-footer travel trailer. Has 3 slides on it.
So
It looks pretty comfortable.
this is one slide. That's one slide over there.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
And then I think it has a bedroom slide. Yes, it has a bedroom slide also.
And it's a travel trailer,
It
which
is a travel
we're
trailer.
very interested in because they are a lot less expensive. Yeah, that has washer and dryer hookup. A lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of storage in here.
Yeah, there's a washer dryer here, like a stackable.
The bathroom's a really nice size, but this one's like 38 feet long. That seems, I don't know. I want to make sure we can get into absolutely every place. I don't want to be like, oh, you can't get in there anymore. Because you're a little too long. So I'd like to see what a smaller one would feel like. And also I want to make sure that when the slide is in, that we can get to the refrigerator.
Well, you will be able to get to the refrigerator on this one, but not the freezer. It'll come into about right here.
But I have a question.
Yeah.
When this slide comes in, will you be able to get through the door right there? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Like,
I don't know, it comes a long way.
I know.
It's a long thing, so probably not.
Can you get in back here? That's a
I
good
guess
question.
you're stuck right here.
Because I think that should be a requirement that we're asking for too, correct?
Yes. Nice storage area.
This is much smaller by 5 or 6 feet, it looks.
Yeah, I think this is a 26-foot.
A Model I 265. Bathroom right at the front. Definitely has a smaller feel. Oh, and that's like a table that you pull out.
Yeah,
and-
this slides in. Whoa, it pulls it in. And look, there's a fireplace.
Oh, is there a TV? Where's the TV? I'm sure you. Does it have the television?
It's a built-in projector. Smart projector will pull down projector screen.
Okay.
So here's your screen. You can watch TV from that.
All right. What does this say?
I
56.
don't know what this is. Oh, this is the screen.
MSRP 56. What? Okay. I kind of like that there's, like, you know, when they have the, I know we need the cabinets on the side. Like a lot of them will have the cabinet goes all the way up, but I feel enclosed when there's a cabinet that goes all the way up on the side of the bed. See how it's not enclosed right there
Yeah.
with the cabinet?
Yeah.
I think I like that. I feel kind of claustrophobic if it has the cabinets up there, but I know that's storage. But there's plenty of storage over there.
And you got storage there. How much stuff is going to carry?
Well, you need closets. Where's the closet in here?
There is no closet.
Huh. Interesting. Okay, we just looked at the information about this, and it says that there is a split level wardrobe. So here's your closet. Right there. You hang your stuff on this thing on hangers. So that's where you would hang coats or shirts that you don't want so wrinkled. But if you had to open that up all the time, you pulled it. It says press. Oh, you press the button down. I get it. Here I am pushing the whole door. This one has 2 slides. I bet it feels quite a bit bigger, and it's still a travel trailer. I like the feel of this better than that other one.
Yeah.
Having the opposing slides is kind of a big difference.
This one is 34 feet.
34, and it's 69,000. Is that comfortable enough?
The pillow is not, but the couch is.
I like how Brinkley has these big pantries. I mean, that's a lot of space right there. Oh, see, there's that. I don't like those cabinets on the side. All right, this is a Model G 3250 fifth wheel.
37 foot.
37. That's a little too big for us, I think. Okay. Too big, too much.
This is a Model Z 2900.
I think that means 29 feet. Or
I don't think you can't go by that.
can't go by that anymore.
This one is 32 feet.
Okay.
32. You have some room in here.
Yes, this feels spacious. I like this.
I could eat right here.
Yes, you could. Does it come up any higher?
Nope.
All right, let me see this bathroom. Oh my gosh, why do I keep forgetting how many feet you say? 29? Oh, this is the one with the open bathroom.
32 feet.
32 feet. I feel like this bed is not that king size bed though. But I do like, it's got a bigger layout, and I do like that both sides can get to the bathroom. Like if I'm already sleeping, you don't have to come by and bump into my feet that are always hanging off the end of the bed.
Shower. Yeah.
Come on, you're going to get in the bed with me?
Yes. Good to be a short guy when you're looking at RVs. So one time it's an advantage. It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's
I
better.
still got room to move over. So
Then move over. Be where you're really going to be. Actually, this is nice. I think I could do this. I don't feel enclosed. What do you think?
I like it. I don't think it's gonna fall in your price range. So
Did you look at the price already?
I have not.
And all the closets are over there. That's nice. The bathroom is good.
Oh, these are good sized closets too. And it's a very nice size, I think.
Are you okay? I mean, you got enough knee room there?
Yeah. Kind of close right here, but I could live with it.
Okay, I'm going to come back over here and see. Oh, okay. Hey, it's under 100.
That's good.
It's 91 for the MSRP. Oh. Well, the MSRP is 122. And then their everyday low price is 91.
Microwave.
An interesting contender. And you can get to the refrigerator.
I was a contender.
I have a question for those that are already living in an RV. Do you guys really eat at this pull-out table? Or do you work at this pull-out table? Or does this stay in and you eat that way looking out? Do you use these chairs? Do you eat on a TV tray over on your lazy boy chairs? Or do you eat on a pillow? I hold a pillow on my lap.
My wife eats on a pillow.
So what do you guys do to eat? Just curious.
Look at that. There's something in there. That gets you to us. Working on stuff right there. This is the Model Z 3210.
Do all of them have a screen door like that?
Yeah.
I just missed it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the Craig and Victoria one. Except they have a toy hauler.
This has a bunk bed in it. We don't need that.
How long is it? It is 34. It's still under.
Pull evenly on the corners.
That's the one that folds down so that you don't have to have it as one long counter. I just don't think you could get to the pass-through bathroom the same kind as the other one. All the thing back here is the same. I think the only thing that makes this one different is the sectional and that back little room back there.
This is Yvette trying to figure out how to make this recliner. Okay, she found that one. She's got that one. She's reclined in. Look at that lady right there.
It's a giant
She looks
TV.
relaxed.
There's all storage behind those things
This is
right there.
from her view right here.
Giant TV.
TV right there. And
But if you sat with me on this couch,
it's a lot of room here.
well, are you sitting right here?
No, I'm going to sit over there. I don't want to be that close to you all the time. Got a fireplace.
I'm going to tell you right now, with no air conditioner, they're like a sweat box.
Like a sauna.
Is that where you would
Like
sit?
a sauna. I would sit right here. Yeah, I'd sleep right here.
Would you put your feet up all the time, or would you sit?
I don't know what I would do.
I mean, you have to be really, really comfortable.
I am comfortable.
Put both feet up. Oh, it's really hot in here. All right, let's go. I like the other one that we were just in. The 32 foot without the little office space in the back.
All right, then.
Let's go see what price that one was again, because I forgot. What do you think?
I like this one. I'm going to buy it today.
Oh, no, you're not.
I love finding a refrigerator.
How much is it?
Freezer, $59,000. That's
Oh.
why I'm going to buy it.
See, that's not bad.
$59,000. I could live in there.
This is a slide, right? And you can get to the
Have a
refrigerator.
dance party in here.
All right. Go on with your bad self.
And look,
Oh, I kind of like the window.
got the window right there. You wouldn't be sleeping much past 6 o'clock.
I know, but it is kind of small in here.
Got a big old storage space right there.
I'm sure you put the blackout things down and it won't be so bright. But, for how much?
$59,000.
All right, sit on the toilet.
Furrion chill cube. Lots of room on the toilet. I could spread out and have myself a good time right here.
All right.
Got the showers nice. Got a good shower in it. Shh.
So,
I think the only thing wrong with this one is the way you sleep, your feet hang off the bed. You'll be 14 inches from up there. Your feet are hanging off the bed. I would have to try to sneak by in the nighttime.
well, what if we switched sides of the bed and you started sleeping on...
Then that would work.
Could you do that?
I don't know if I could sleep on that side of the bed or not. I could try. Go look outside and see how much storage.
This is a bumper pull or
Yes.
travel trailer.
It is.
And the price of it is really good.
This is a
60,000,
30 foot.
30 foot.
Yeah, I think it has a lot going for it.
This one retails for like 60,000. And I could live with this size living area, kitchen area. That's all good, but
The bed. That's the only thing.
yeah. But I don't know. It's a great size for pulling. It has these chairs, which are awesome. Something to think about.
This is an Air 315 bumper pull travel trailer. Don't know what that is.
It's got 3 slides.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be more than we want to spend, but maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. 83,000.
83. Whoa, look at that room back there. What is that?
Oh, this is like
Oh, it's like a bunkhouse.
a little bunkhouse thing. This is for your insurance, right?
Yeah.
We ain't even got no insurance.
No, we don't really need this kind of a thing. I mean, I guess if you needed a designated office or
yeah.
something. Whew.
All right. It's a hot day out there. We've looked at lots of Brinkleys. I think I found one that I like a lot.
Yes, but it's interesting because at 102 degrees,
Yes.
It is not fun going into those hot RVs.
No, and there's no air conditioning inside. It's
so
just hot.
But we came in looking at travel trailers, bumper pulls, and fifth wheels. And you, when we first went in, were saying, nope, you want a travel trailer because they're less expensive. They're about $20,000 less expensive.
Yep.
But now, what are you saying?
I'm saying after looking and the handling and the storage, I really like that Z310 fifth wheel.
Here's what's really good is when partners lean towards the same thing and we don't have something that we're really going to argue about, that it's going to work for both of us. So
yeah, that checked a lot of boxes for us.
It's up at the top of the list. Now all we got to do is get me retired, find the money to buy it, and go.
That's it.